So finally we have reached the end of this module. So in this module, from the very beginning, we learned various topics. So after we successfully installed the softwares, we ran our first Java application that says Hello Internshala. And then we moved on to the topic of variables and data types, and then we also learned about how can we take user input and then use it inside our program. And proceeding forward, we checked out various operators in Java. And these operators we used inside the conditional statements as well. And at the end of this module, we checked out formally what are comments and what are the naming convention that we use while naming variables in Java. So that's all for this module. Now before moving on to the next module, your task will be to do the assignment and also take the quiz test. This will really help you to brush up your skills and knowledge of what you have learned so far in this module.